If you want to see the locations of data centers of AWS, you can see them by directly searching AWS infrastructure. As you can see, we will search AWS infrastructure, and this first website we will open, and by scrolling down we can see here the art will pop up. On the dots are the locations of AWS data centers. It's North America, and in North America we have USA. In USA we have US East, North Virginia. It's Canada. It's also in Canada. It's Central America. In Central America we will have Mexico. It's South America. And South America I have only in Brazil, and this dot means coming soon. As you can see here, coming soon, and this dot means available. And it's African continent. In whole African continent, only one data center is located, which is in South Africa, capital Cape Town. And here is Madagascar. Now comes to Middle East. It's in UAE, Bahrain, Israel, and then it's come Europe. European continent have many data centers, and now it's come Asia, and our India have only 2 data centers in Hyderabad and in Bombay. Now comes China. It's Philippines, Malaysia, Singapore, and Jakarta, and it's Australia, and you can see here New Zealand, and you can see here Japan also here, and now comes to this USA, and this is Antarctica. Antarctica have no data centers because of extreme temperature and extreme weather conditions, and many more regions. As you can see here, you can see the locations here. It's coming soon, so that's it.